Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Priyanka Tile Math Classes. Today we will do topic of coordinate geometry, chapter number 7, class 10th, coordinate geometry. First of all, before doing coordinate geometry, we must know that what is coordinates. For this we know that this is a graph and we know that this one is a x-axis and this one is a y-axis. If we want to plot 2, 3, we know that first coordinate show that x-axis and second coordinate show that y-axis. That means combination of coordinate x and y is known as point. So if we want to plot point 2, 3, then we know that first coordinate is x and second coordinate is y. Here we can consider 0 and here we can write 1, 2, 3, so on, and 1, 2, 3, so on. We know that in this side means right hand side of a region positive values and upside of a region is positive value of y, and left side of region we know that values of x-axis are negative, that means -1, -2, -3. Similarly you can take values of y -1, -2, -3 and we denote this number y dash. Now we will plot a point 2, 3 and first value of x and second value of y. That means 2 and 3. Value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to 3. That means we get this one point 2, 3. Similarly, you can plot any points. So before start coordinate geometry, we must know that what is a point. So point is that combination of coordinate of x and y is known as point. So first of all, introduction we will do in this video. Introduction of coordinate geometry. Introduction of coordinate geometry. For this, first we will discuss distance formula. I will give example you for this distance formula. We will find distance formula from 2 points. I can consider A point 1, 2 and B is equal to 3, 4. We know that what is point. I have already told you that point is that combination of coordinate of x and y is known as point. That means first one is we can consider x1, second one we can consider y1, next this one x2 and this one y2. And we know that distance formula is that one, x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square. You have to learn this formula to find distance between 2 points. We have 2 points A and B. This means that we will find distance between A and B. So this formula you can write x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Also you can write this one formula as in this form, that will x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. You can consider any formula from 2 of this one. Now we will solve this distance formula. I have 2 points A and B. Now I will put these 2 points value in this formula. So we get AB is equal to this one. We have value of x2 is equal to 3 minus value of x1 is equal to 1 minus square plus y2 is equal to 4 and y1 is equal to 2. Now we will solve this question. Here you can see that 3 minus 1. We know that 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 square plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 square. You can write this in this form. 2 square. 2 square means we will multiply 2 number 2 times. When we multiply 2 into 2 times, that means 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So we will write here 4. Here also 4. And 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 units. This one is a distance of A and B points. So if you want to find distance between 2 points A and B, then you can use this one formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Also you can use this one formula, x1 minus x2. You can notice here that if here is x1, then here is also y1. If here is x2, then here is also y2. You can't write that here is x1 and here is y2. No, it is wrong. So you can write x1 over here y1, x2 and y2. Now we will solve another part of this one question. Here we already find that distance formula by using distance formula AB. Now if we want to find out BA means we want to find distance between B and A. Then you can write here first of all B point. We have B point is equal to 3, 4 and A point is equal to 1, 2. Now here first of all you can consider, you will definitely consider this one is x1 as this one is y1. This one is equal to x2 and this one is equal to y2. Now you can similarly put values of x1, y1, x2 and y2. So we will solve BA. x2 minus x1 means 1 minus 3 square plus y2 minus y1 means 2 minus 4 square. Here you can see that 1 minus 3 is equal to minus of 2 because of large number is negative. Now here 2 minus 4 that means minus of 2 square. Now minus 2 square means we will multiply this number 2 times like as minus 2 square minus 2 multi minus 2. This one minus minus is equal to plus, that means sign negative, neglect 2 into 2 4. Similarly 2 into 2 4, here we get answer 8 units. Similarly we can find other parts like as if we consider A point minus 1 2 and B consider 4 3. You can solve also this one point. Also A is equal to 2 4 and B is equal to 6 4. Here it is not necessary that always here point A and B. Here any number can consider C and D, D or E, and one part like as 4 6 and E 4 3. Now you can solve this one questions. You have to solve this one question AB, and here you can find BA, ED. You have to solve this one question, and if you have any doubt then you can ask from me in comment box. Okay, thank you.